Alright guys, so welcome back to another video at More at Homestead. Before we begin, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I got one last honeydew left.
No, not one last, just one of the honeydews.
For today, I have one honeydew left, and Hunter and I are going to hook up to the boat and go fishing. But, I don't know if you can see behind us all those spots in between the beams, the pillars. Go ahead and show them what you got in the back of the truck. Not the two crazy kiddos with popsicles.
Not the ball.
Hanging flowers.
So what I'm going to do, I have a bunch of these hooks here. I'm going to put them, try to center them the best I can in those gaps. And we're going to go, what is it? Fern, flower, fern, space, fern, flower, fern. Across the front, the whole front of this house. So I better get started because the fish are waiting on me. I got like a 4 o'clock appointment with them, and it's 2 o'clock now.
It's not gonna take you 2 hours to do this.
Well, by the time I get there and get unloaded, we got fish to catch, don't we, bud? Yeah. So all right, we're gonna get started. Big shout out again to Jared Wood, Oklahoma Native Electric. If you ever watch this, the ladder's still here from the shop, so appreciate it. All right, let's get started. Hold that ladder, or hold that on the inside of that post. Right there, yeah. 94 and a half. What's half of 94 and a half? That'd be 47. 47 even.
Right where that screw is, right there. See it?
Yeah, it's right here.
So just look at that screw.
Yep, a little bit off.
Here for decoration. I second place.
Got a small trophy. Facing back in this way.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, get some up close stuff also. You satisfied?
Yep.
Am I released?
Yes, you can go fishing.
I'm released.
Yep. Looks good.
Cool.
That didn't take long at all.
Did you give them a close-up of all the flowers?
Well, some of them are dead.
No, the hanging ones.
Oh, okay, no.
Those are pretty. And you got the ferns, obviously. You guys have seen ferns. Just green.
That's got some, like sweet potato vines.
And this guy. Hunter trying to learn how to catch a pot fly. Glove up.
Loose, but don't let them out.
7 eggs. 7 eggs.
Oh, I was closest.
Out. Okay, Hunter.
7?
That's a really clean turkey egg.
Yep.
Let me see. Show the camera. Nice turkey egg.
We got
It's a
another.
really clean turkey egg. It's a really clean one.
And a little bitty banny.
And we got
Just one banny.
and 1 turkey egg and 5 big chicken eggs.
Well, Hunter? About ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
You guys want to go fishing?
No.
I'm not asking.
Oh, no.
Hunter, you want to take them along with us fishing?
Yeah.
Alright. We may take the camera and show you guys a little bit of our fishing trip.
Did you catch any bass?
It's pretty windy. I don't know if you can tell.
There's a ball coming.
There's Hunter's ball rolling over here, but we'll take you along best we can. Try to get a little footage.
I'm going out.
Maybe Hunter can get his first bass out of the boat on camera. So, let's go. Hi, buddy. Camera's on. Ooh, we catch any fish yet?
No.
Ooh, no. This wind's blowing me though. Look at little ducks. Wood ducks.
I'm gonna get a drink now. Can I?
Yeah, go ahead. Alrighty, I'm going to go to a spot last year about this time where I just tore them up. Hunter was actually with me. Lindy, Hallie was with me. There's all with me. We came up here one evening and I just started pitching this bank and just started ripping out big ones. Can't promise it's going to happen. Water temperature is 61, so it's about right. This lake has a ton of grass. It's probably, well, you can see some of it sticking up right here out of the water, but here in another month, this whole thing will just be grass a foot tall out of the water. Then it's tough to fish, but right now, it's not too bad. I'll probably come back this evening right before we leave. I'm gonna flip it all right now, but we'll make one last pass on the way back and I'll throw my frog in there and hopefully we can get a couple blow-ups on that. But Hunter wanted to turn on the camera now, and I don't know, something. What do you got to drink? Yoo-hoo? Is it ice cold Yoo-hoo?
Yeah. Cold.
Shake it. Need me to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, yoo-hoo! Don't spill that on my boat carpet. All right, well, I'll set this camera up back here in the middle, try to get a decent view, and I'm gonna do some flipping, and hopefully you can see me set the hook on one or two, so let's go.
Now, why does most of the time we do bass fishing?
Because it's the best.
We should crappie it.
We should crappie it?
Crappie's the best.
It's the best to eat. For sure.
But that's funner than fishing.
What is?
Bass fishing.
Yeah, bass fishing's funner.
But
To me.
crappie's better.
Yeah. Still a little deep right here. Oh, last time I came here, I was able to see them swimming through that grass. You know, the water was clear, and then I would just pitch up to them. See if there's anything next to this log right here. This is kind of just where I start fishing. Normally it's better around this corner up here, so I'm just kind of filling it out here. Hunter, it's time to put the secret bait on. I forgot the bag I took to Lake Fork with me that's got most of the stuff I throw consistently. I left it in the truck, but I should still got my favorite crawl still, and then no, I know I got there's the color I'm looking for right there. So this is what we caught them on last year, buddy. I don't know if you remember that or not. That's some grass. That was almost bad.
Huh?
That ain't good. Remember how I told you most of my stuff was in the truck?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't have any more Texas rig stuff in the boat. So all my hooks are in the truck. So I'm gonna go to the bank. Normally I just break off this time of year and not even worry about it.
show
Put the... Oh, did you hear my drag slip? Dang it! That's a good one. Oh! My drag hasn't slipped on a hook set in a long time. I'm gonna have to come back to this one. That sucks. I must have, maybe I got a good stick. I didn't think I got a good enough stick. I mean, obviously my drag slipped, but then she picked it up again. Good morning, everybody. Sorry about the footage from the fishing trip. The battery just went. I looked back and it was dead. But update, we did not end up catching that fish. We went and tried another spot. We went completely to the other end of the lake, back where the creek comes in. Found some clearer water, some better looking water, but no fish for whatever reason. I got skunked. We didn't boat any fish, which on that particular lake doesn't happen very often, but it still happens sometimes. You guys see, we're gonna go back over this and show you guys these flower skin that we hung up yesterday. Mama's happy, so everybody's happy. It's a Saturday. We got all the family coming over tomorrow for Easter. So once again, we'd like to wish you guys a happy Easter weekend, and we hope all you guys was able to attend church today. I'll say today because we're going to be putting this out tomorrow, which is Sunday. Today's Saturday. So I'd like to thank all you guys for watching this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel yet, More at Homestead, make sure you like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. Honey, you got anything?
Nah, not really.
Once again, thanks for tuning in on this video. Until next time, God bless.